Hi girls, just want to talk you through really briefly through your maths for today. So it's page 121 and we're looking at interest. Now, we haven't really studied interest before, but the good news is actually it's very similar to just increasing or increasing just like we do when we're studying percentages. So it's really just understanding the concept behind interest. So basically what interest is if you go into the bank and you want to take out a loan, or your parents maybe who have a mortgage, you go into the bank and the bank says, listen, no worries, I will give you €200. Of course I will. Now, unfortunately, the bank just doesn't give you €200 and then look for €200 back. They are a business and they want to make money out of it. So what they say to you is, I'll loan you €200, but you have to pay me back €210. Or whatever the case may be. So they make a profit out of it. Okay, so the way they work it out is they actually say to you that they're going to add a certain percentage on to what you pay them back. So if you pay interest on something, you might pay interest. So the first example, and this is the one that I've taken directly from your book, is that if you borrow €200 for 1 year at a rate of 10%, it means that you want to borrow €200, that you're going to pay it back within 1 year, and you're going to pay it back plus 10% interest. So the way we do that sum is we have to first of all start off by finding 10% of €200. So we're going to do that. We remember how to do this, I'm sure you know. We're just simply going to divide 10 into 200. So 10 into 200 is €20. Okay, and that's nice and simple, €20. Okay, our answer for this sum is simply that we're going to pay back €20 on top of the €100 that we're paying them back. So it depends on what the question asks you. If the question asks you how much interest you will pay, well, then the answer is that you'll pay €20 interest. If they ask you in the sum how much you will pay back in total, well, then you will be paying back in total €200 plus €20, so you'll be paying back €220. So we just have to be careful that we read the questions properly for these ones. Now, if in the case of the second sum here, I'm saying I'd like to borrow €200, but I want to have 2 years to pay it back at a rate of 10%. That's perfect, okay? But it's 10% per year is what they're going to charge you, okay? So once again, I have to find out what 10% of €200 is. So I'm going to divide €200 by 10 and I'm going to get €20 again, just like I did above. Okay, but in this instance, it's €20, but it's for 2 years. Okay, so I need to multiply my €20 by my 2 years. Okay, therefore, the total amount that I'm going to be paying them back is going to be €40 in interest. Okay, the total amount altogether that I'm paying them back is €200 plus €40, which is €240. This €40 is just the interest. So if it was 3 years, I'd have to multiply my number by 3. If it was 4 years, I'd have to multiply my number by 4, etc., etc. And that's literally very, very basically what interest is all about. So give these questions a go on page 121. Like I always say, give it your best shot. And if you've any questions, no problem. You can give me a shout on Dojo. Have a good day, girls.